welcome to my channel. I do hair tutorials, hair tips, and I document my hair journey of how I'm growing my hair to get to mid back length or waist length. So please subscribe and like this video. So the first thing that I'm going to be talking about today is Olaplex, and I am reviewing the Olaplex number 3 and the bonding oil. So I'm gonna start off with the number 7, which is the bonding oil. I think if you're gonna get anything out of the collection that they have system, it would be definitely number 3 and definitely number 7. I say number 3 because you can add this when you are moisturizing and sealing your hair, so it's a great way to strengthen your strands daily, and you can use this to combine into your hot oil treatments. You can use this to combine into your deep conditioning treatments, as well as you can use it when you are going to flat iron your hair and use it as a heat protectant. This is also great for taming frizzes and getting your hair to look nice and sleek, and it is about 1 fluid ounce. It is kind of pricey, but I do use it sparingly, and I've noticed that my strands are really strong, and my hair isn't breaking as much, and a little bit goes a long way. It doesn't have any particular smell, and it doesn't get overwhelmingly greasy on my hair at all. So I use this a lot to moisturize and seal my hair, and I also use this to kind of tame my hair down when it gets a little bit frizzy, or after I'm finished flat ironing my hair, just to give it a finished look. Now the number 3 is great because this one is actually a treatment. So whenever you're going to do a repairing treatment that you want to do to your hair, I would recommend this. The direction says to use this on damp hair, so you would apply it on your damp hair, and then after you had it in for your hair for maybe 30 or 20 minutes, the minimum that I would recommend with some heat, you would shampoo it out and then proceed with deep conditioning. They do have the conditioner as well, and I think that one is amazing, but today I'm just talking about my 2 favorite products, and this has definitely helped my hair to be very strong, and I've been able to retain a lot more length this year just by using the number 3. The consistency is between thick and runny, so it's in the middle. It's not too heavy, but a little bit of this goes a long way. It spreads evenly throughout your hair, so you can, depending on how much hair you have, you can get like maybe, I would say 5 minimum uses out of this, just depending on how you apply it to your hair. But it's spreadable, it's easy to apply, it's easy to use, and the product really does help to strengthen your hair. So again, I definitely would recommend these 2 products. They've done a great job in keeping my hair to be really healthy, and I'll leave more information about other Olaplex treatments that are available for anyone to use. So thank you guys for watching, and I will see you guys until next time. Bye.